everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Smart Faizi channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. It's great to see you all again.
How are you doing today, David?
I'm doing great, thanks. You look full of energy today.
Yes, I am, because today's topic is super useful for anyone who wants to speak English confidently.
Oh, really? What's the topic?
It's the question we hear everywhere. Tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes. That's one of the most common English questions. In interviews, classrooms, or when you meet new people.
Exactly, but sometimes people don't know what to say.
True. So today, we'll make it easy and fun to answer this question, step by step.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.
Yes, it helps our channel a lot. Okay, ready to start?
All right, David, let's practice. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, here goes. My name is David, D-A-V-I-D.
Nice to meet you, David. My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you too. So, where are you from?
I'm from England. And you?
I'm from Pakistan. It's a beautiful country.
Oh, nice. Do you live in a big city or a small town?
I live in a small town. It's calm and peaceful.
That sounds relaxing. I live in a big city. Always busy, always noisy, but I love it.
We're opposites already.
Let's talk about age. How old are you, David?
I'm 27 years old. And you?
I'm 24.
Ah, a great age to learn new things.
Now, tell me, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. And you?
I am a graphic design student. I love art and creativity.
That's awesome. A teacher and a designer. What a great combo.
Let's talk about family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. She's younger and studies music.
That's nice. My brother's name is Adam. He's older and a photographer.
Wow, both families sound artistic.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Bruno. He's small, brown, and very funny.
Aw, so cute. I have a cat named Coco. She's white, fluffy, and lazy.
A lazy cat and a crazy dog. Perfect pair.
Now let's talk about favorites. What's your favorite food? Pizza?
Definitely pizza.
I love pizza too, but my favorite food is pasta.
Pizza and pasta. Classic.
What's your favorite color?
Blue, like the sky.
Mine is green, like the trees.
Blue and green. Great combination.
What are your hobbies?
I love listening to music and playing football on weekends.
Nice. I enjoy painting and reading adventure stories.
You sound very creative, Emma.
Thank you. And you sound very active, David. Let's share one thing we don't like.
I don't like waking up too early.
Same. I also don't like spicy food.
Then don't visit me. I love spicy food.
I'll bring milk.
So here's how you can answer, tell me about yourself. Hi, my name is David. I'm from Pakistan. I'm an English teacher. I love pizza and music.
Or, hi, I'm Emma. I'm from England. I study design. I love painting and my cat Coco.
Perfect. Simple, friendly, and natural.
Let's review quickly. Talk about your name, country, age, job, family, hobbies, and likes.
And remember, you don't have to say everything. Just choose what fits.
Exactly. And don't forget to smile. It makes your English sound friendly and confident.
Well said.
If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Smart Faizi. Hit the like and share this video with your friends.
And now it's your turn. Go to the comments and tell us about yourself in English.
And now it's your turn. Go to the comments and tell us about yourself in English.
See you next time on Mr. Smart Faizi channel. Bye-bye.